Good afternoon, friends. Dekho, there was one small bird. There are coming so many birds here. I hear the sound. There. Here I hear the sound. Here they are coming mostly, and then this was here. See. So small. Maybe she want to relax. She is so warm. So small. So small you are. Sleeping. Yeah. I will see when she want to fly. Wait, flying. Oh my god. Fly, baby, fly. I will stay here till she fly. Yeah, they are coming. You can see. I think, oh my god, they are all coming. They are belongs to her. The friends are coming. There she is now. There she is now. So, she's already flight. So, she's not more here. Okay, she fly already. She's no more here. Okay.